guys. So yun, kakatapos na namin mag-drive to sa KFC and Jollibee. So we tried their new product. So merong bagong new Jollibee nuggets. So we're about to do some mukbang while on the road trip. Base kasi kay Waze, nasa 2 hours and 30 minutes something yung biyahe. So we just make sure we can keep our stomach full while we're driving.
Is it good? McDo or Jollibee?
Burger King.
Oh yeah. Kung ano, McDo, Jollibee, anong mas gusto mong nuggets?
McDo?
Oh, disappointed.
No hate guys, pero parang matabang yung Jollibee nuggets. So ayun na guys, we are hitting the expressway SETEX, going to Subic first. Then after Subic, Zambales guys. So quick update guys, we just arrived at Subic Bay Freeport after hitting the expressway. So yeah, from here guys, we're about to go to Zambales na. Update tayo mamaya. So we're here, San Felipe, Zambales. Okay, ka na mag... Costas de Liwa. So yun na nga guys, this is where we stayed during our staycation at Zambales. It is called Costas de Liwa. So you can check their rates at Agoda or Expedia. Doon ako kasi nag-book sa Expedia. It's like around 2,500. Good for 2 packs na yan. So nice. Wala, kaya panalaking possible. Wow. Very nice ambience kapag umaga. Love. Galing mo naman mag-floating. Kaya ko lang. Video ko. Tutok mo yung mukha. Yung may nakpag ah.
Yeah. Maka-play ka?
Come on.
Hi! Okay, okay. Wow! Relax ka mo, kaya ka.
Wala lang po kayo.
Go, relax. Yay! Galing? Yako ulit. Your point of view. Mag-floating ka.
So cool! Natuto na ako mag-floating. Alright. Silo?
Doon tayo kaya ko ito.
Ano?
I-stop mo na lang. Actually, kaya ko sa
Kaya. Lumutong yun. So nice. Konti lang yung tao ngayon. Considering it's weekends. Saturday.
Papunta pa yung mga tao.
Yeah. So we're the early birds. Pauwi na kami mamaya. Love, say hi. So yun,
Morning
after nga
breakfast
magtampisaw
after
and mag-floating sa dagat, syempre nagutom kami dalawa ni Jowa. So
Nagutom ka lang.
we tried some food here at
Nagutom sa
Mami
pag-floating.
Phoebe's place. So
Saka kita ng ano.
if I will be rating the food, it's
So, here's
8
for
over
the
10.
breakfast.
Good yung food. Yung place okay din. Medyo nilalangaw lang kami nun, pero so far it's good. Maganda yung place. So after sa beach guys, we went back to our villa. So we maximized the facility like this jacuzzi. So nag-jacuzzi kami for the moment. Enjoying jacuzzi here with some hot tea. dito naman sa Bangganto, di ko lang masyadong makuha yung pangalan niya doon. I try to zoom it kaso ang daming nakaharang. So para siyang Flotsam Jetsam ng LU.
She said, what you gonna do if I leave? I said, bitch, I'ma do me. B.I.G. bitch, everything
Hello.
zoomed in.
I turned off the sound. Baka ma copyright. Pearl lupit ni kuya.
And then kinabukasan before umuwi na Pampanga, we drop by sa Honu Cafe. It's very aesthetic guys, pa-Instagram yung lugar and good food. Very very healthy food choices.
If you want to, follow me. World to me. If you want to, follow me.
Back sa video.
Super goods. Basa-basa yan ha.
Ayan na po ang mga pa-party sa Liwa on a Saturday night. Kami pa uwi na.
Nakasiksilan sa mga weekend people.
We're introverts.